What's up, YouTube? Little indie. Today we were just playing free-for-all. It's me and 2 other people. I'm using my PulseR72. I'm going against the Double Eagle easy gun and M203 shotgun. So, yeah. I'm gonna try to record with one hand and shoot, so if I have bad aim or something, don't yell at me. Just move out the middle. I'm wearing some camo, so I know there's someone up here because there's spawns. And if you get hit, we're playing one shot, you're out. There he is, there's someone. Alright, I just hit him. I'm moving up closer. Oh shit. My brother's over there. There's one over there. There he is. Hit him. Alright, go down the middle. Go back to your spawn. There's one more. These people suck who I play with. There's one guy down there. Alright, I'm going around a flank. There he is. He's going down the middle. Here he comes. Watch this, guys. Here he comes. Watch, here he comes down the aisle. He's shooting. Move up. Got hit?
No, I'm out of ammo.
He's out of ammo. Alright, I moved back to my spawn. We're down there, so I'm going to go around and flank right. They're going to outside. He got hit, I'm moving up. There they are. I think they're coming. Alright, there's people over here. I flanked the right side. Here they come. They're rushing up. Oh shit. Oh, I got hit there. Stalking this guy right now. He hasn't seen me. There he is. He has no idea I'm here. I'm gonna take fire. Let me just move up a little closer. I'm stalking him. I was stalking him for like literally 5 minutes. He's moving this way now. There he is. I sent someone come over. There's someone come over here. Here he comes over here. Where the hell is he? He almost hit me. Hit! Render, come here. I have to tap you so you can be on my team. Alright, he's now on my team. Right. Come here, come here. Alright, here he is, right there. Watch out, down. I'm gonna move up, ready? Come on, move up, move up. Right down here.
Here you go. Here, I'll rush him, I'll rush him. Here, let me rush him.
Where's he? Oh shit! He's almost hitting me. He'll get behind this tree. He's getting aim. He's moving up. There he is. Alright, I'm turning it off. Let's move.
Okay, I'm freaking out. What else is wait till you make a move?
He's out of ammo.
What?
Surrender!